Hello students, my name is Professor Muhammad Asim and we are doing AdMath. Students, in last lecture we did question number 5 from past papers of coordinate geometry. This question appeared in 2000 May-June 2014 paper 2-1. Today we are going to do question number 6. Let's have a look question number 6. Solution to this question by accurate drawing will not be accepted. The points A to 11, B -2, 3, C 2, -1 are the vertices of a triangle. Find the equation of the perpendicular bisector of AB. Very easy question. We have to find the equation of perpendicular bisector. So for equation of perpendicular bisector we need two things. One is midpoint of AB. So we have coordinates of A 2 1 1, 2 11 and B -2 3. So x1 plus x2 upon 2, y1 plus y2 upon 2. 2 minus 2, 0, 0 upon 2 is 0. 11 plus 3 is 14, 14 upon 2 is 7. So for perpendicular bisector we need two things. One is the midpoint of AB. The second is the gradient. So first we have to find the gradient of AB by using the formula y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. 3 minus 11 is minus 8. Minus 2 is minus 4. The answer is 2. But we need, keep in mind, we need perpendicular bisector equations. So we have to find the gradient of perpendicular line of AB, that is perpendicular line AB. So you know, when two lines are perpendicular, then the product of their gradient is -1. So the negative reciprocal of 2 is -1 upon 2. Now we have a point that is 0 7 and we have a gradient that is -1 2. So we can easily find the equation of perpendicular bisector. So I'm using y minus y1 is equals to m times x minus x1, where m is the gradient. So y minus 7 is equals to m. We have to put -1 upon 2 x minus x1, that is 0. Simplify it. 2 into y, 2y minus 2 sevens are 14 equals to -x. So 2y positive x is equals to 14. This is equation number 1 and this is the answer of part number 1. 2y plus x is equals to 14. This is the equation of perpendicular bisector. Now see the next part. The line through A parallel to BC intersects the perpendicular bisector of AB at the point D. Find the area of the quadrilateral ABCD. So in order to find the area of the quadrilateral ABCD, first we must find the coordinates of D. How to find coordinates of D? We will apply the given situation. The given situation is the line through A. So first write the coordinates of A. This is part number 2. A is 2, 11. And what is the second part of the line? The line through A parallel to BC. So we need to write the coordinate of BC. -2, 3 and C is 2 minus 1. So we need to find the gradient of BC. y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus plus x1 minus 4 upon 4 minus 1. So according to the situation, the line B, the line passes through A is parallel to BC. It means if two lines are parallel, then the gradient is same. So we can easily find the line y minus y1 11, m we will put minus 1 because the lines are parallel, x minus x1 2. Y minus 11 minus x plus 2, y plus x 2 plus 11 is 13. This is equation number 2. Now solve simultaneously equation number 1 and equation number 2. What is equation number 1? We find from previous part, 2y plus x is equals to 14. 2y plus x is equals to 14. This is equation number 1. Now subtract both the equation. This is minus y, this should be minus x, this should be minus 13. So 2y minus y is y, and x cancel by x, and 14 minus 3 is 1. So y is 1. Put the value of y 1 in any one of the equation. I am putting in equation number 2. Equation number 2 is y plus x is equals to 13. So 1 plus x is equals to 13 and x is equals to 12. Hence the coordinates of D are 12, 1. Why? Because both the lines meets the perpendicular bisector and the line which is passes through A meet at the point D. So solve both the equations simultaneously to get the coordinates of D, that is 12, 1. Now find the area of a quadrilateral, which is very easy. We use the general formula of the area of the quadrilateral. A to 11, B negative 2, 3, C 2, negative 1, D 12, 1. Now see the formula of the area. 1 upon 2, it is called a determinant formula. x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3, x4 y4, and x1 y1. 2 by 3, negative 2 by negative 1, 2 by 1, 12 by 11. 2 3s are 6, negative 2 into negative 1 is plus 2, 2 1s are 2, and 12 by 11 is 132. Put the minus sign, open the bracket. 11 by minus 2 is minus 22. 3 by 2 is 6. Minus 1 by 12 is minus 12. And 1 by 2 is 2. Now 1 upon 2, 6 plus 2 plus 2 plus 132 is 142. Minus 22 plus 6 minus 12 plus 2 is minus 26. One upon 2, 142 minus plus 26. 1 upon 2, 142 plus 26 is 168. 168 upon 2 is 84. So 84 square units is the final answer. And this is what we need. I hope you completely understand question number 6. This question appeared in May-June 2014 paper 23. What we will learn? We will learn question number 7 in our next lecture. This question appeared in October-November 2014 paper 23. I request all of you kindly do subscribe my channel, and whenever you subscribe, don't forget to press the bell icon button so that when I upload my videos you will get the notification. Kindly share my videos, my channel, as many as you can. Good luck for next lecture.